So students, in this class we will learn your division of different algebraic expressions. Okay, see, the first one we have here, x to the power m divides x to the power n, which you can write x to the power m minus n. Actually we have learned this formula in our chapter exponents. Okay, so where see here, where x is a variable and m and are the positive integers. Okay, here x, these both x are variables and m and n are any positive integers. Now you can see here, if I give you x to the power 5 divides your x square, then what you can write is x to the power 5 minus 2. That means from the first power you subtract the second power, that is 5 minus 2, that is your 3. Now you can see here another example here, x to the power 7 divides x to the power 7. Okay, this is your x to the power 7 minus 7. Now when you have 7 minus 7, that is your 0. When power of any variable is 0, then it is read as your x naught. Okay, so this x naught always gives us it is equal to 1. It doesn't matter we have a x naught, y naught. If power of x is 0, power of y is 0, power of 100 is 0, power of 2 is 0, in all such cases your answer will be always equal to 1. Then you can see here x cube divides x to the power 8. Okay, from first power you subtract the second one, that means it should be 3 minus 8. So when you have a 3 minus 8, that means you will have what, your minus 5. When you have x to the power minus 5, you can write 1 by x to the power 5. This is we have learned in our exponent, in our chapter, that is your exponents. Okay, then now next you can see here, dividing monomial by a monomial. So monomial means we know an algebraic expression containing one term. This is called your monomial. Now see, divide 35x square y cube by minus 5x cube y square. Now see, this is a monomial and this is also a monomial. Now how to divide when you are given two monomials? Very simple, you write 35x square y cube. Actually this part is called whatever, this part is your dividend and this part is called what, your divisor. Now see, this is your dividend, 35x square y cube and by minus 5x cube y square. Okay, now see, 5 divides 35, that is your 7 times. Okay, so actually this question is solved here. You can see here, this is how you can write here, 5 divides 35, that is your 7 times. Now see here, x square x2, that means actually 2 times. We have x into x 2 times here, we have a x into x for how many times? We have a 3 times here. Then you can see here 2 times get cancelled, then we'll have a 1x here only. Okay, and here we have a y cube. Okay, y cube means we have a 3 times y is multiplied here, but here y is multiplied 2 times. Okay, so this 2 times will get cancelled, so you will have what, your y only. Okay, so this is how we can solve. Then next we have a dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Okay, so in such case your example is 12x plus 36 divide 4. Okay, so you write in this form. See, we can split this into two different terms, 12x by 4 plus 36 by 4. Now 4 divides 12, that is your 3 times. So now 3x, 4 divides 36, that is your 9 times. Okay, now we'll proceed to the exercise. Now you can see here, this is your first question from your exercise 5D. X to the power 5 divides your x cube. Now see how you can write. First we can write this is your x to the power 5 by x cube. Okay, now see here, as we have learned by from the formula, that if we have x to the power m by x to the power n, then what I can write is your x to the power m minus n. So apply the same formula here. What I have here, x to the power, in place of your m I have 5 here, so m minus n, that means you write 5, and then minus n, so in place of n we have a 3 here, so you write minus 3. Then you can see here x to the power 5 minus 3, that is your 2. So x square is our answer. Okay, then we'll solve. That is your third question. We'll solve our third question. Third question is given as your a to the power 9 divides a to the power 4. Okay, so you can see here also you do the same thing, a to the power 9 by a to the power 4. Okay, now what I can write, a to the power 9 minus 4. Okay, that means the power of your Because here a to the power 9 divides a to the power 4 means a to the power 9 by a to the power 4, which means from the power of your numerator you subtract the power of your denominator. That means here a to the power 9 minus 4. Now that is your 9 minus 4 gives us what? A to the power 5 is our answer. Okay. Then we'll solve our eighth question. The eighth question is given as your 84 a square b to the power 5 divides 12 a square b square. Okay, so you write like this: 84 to the power 84 a square b to the power 5 12 a square, and then that is your b square. Then you can see here 12 divides 84, that is your 7 times, and we have here a square that is your same term, you can cancel out. Then see b square b to the power 5, that means actually you should write b to the power 5 minus 3, which will give you what? Your 2. That means here I can write 7b square. Okay, actually this is how I am explaining here. You can see here, see all the terms are cancelled out here. So what we have here, b to the power 5 by your b square. Okay, then you can see here, we can write here b to the power 5 minus 2, that is your, sorry, this should be your 3, that should be 3, because 5 minus 2, that is your 3. Okay, so 7b cube is our answer. So this is b. Okay, this is not 6, this is 7b cube is our answer. Then you can see here, this is your from 2 number first question. 8x plus 4 is divided by your 2. Okay, then you can see here how to write this one: 8x plus 4 by 2. Now you split the terms, so what I can write, 8x by 2 plus your 4 by 2. So 2 divides s, that is your 4 times, 2 cancel 2 times. Then what we have, 4 into x, that is your, you can see here 4 into x, that is your 4x plus, and then your 2. So this is what your answer to the first question. Then I'll solve here fourth question. This is from your 2. Okay, 2 number fourth question. The fourth question is your, you can see here, minus 40x minus 30 by your minus 10. Okay, then you can see here, you write minus 40x minus 30 by minus 10. This is our question. Okay, then you split it, minus 40x by your minus 10. Okay, then what you have here, minus 30 by your minus 10. Okay, then you can see here, this minus get cancelled. 40, sorry, this 10 divides 44 times, then 10 divides, that is your 3 times, then this is minus into minus, it will be your plus. Okay, then 4, here you have 4 into x, that is your 4x, minus into minus, that will be your plus, then this is your 4x plus 3 is our answer. Then our ninth question I am solving here. See, 9x square y square plus 3x square y minus 6xy by your 3xy. Okay, so first of all, we'll write 9x square y square plus 3x square y minus 6xy square. Okay, and which is divided by your thrice xy. Now we'll split the term. So first is your 9x square y square by 3xy, then we have plus here, then we have 3x square y by 3xy, then we have minus 6xy square by 3xy. Then you can see here 3 cancels 9, that is your 3 times. Okay, so will not cancel out here. Okay, then we'll write here 3, then see here x2 here, that means power is nothing, means actually 1 here. So 2 minus 1, that will be your x to the power 1, which means your thrice x. Then again it will be 2 minus 1, that will be your y only, plus again these three get cancelled here. Again x to the power 2, that means x square minus 1, that will be 2 minus 1, that means we'll have here x only. Then this y get cancelled. Okay, then we have minus here. Then you can see here 3 divided 6, that is your 2 times, so you write here 2. Then this x get cancelled. Okay, then y is square, that means what, according to the rule how you have to write this here, y square by y, which means actually you should write 2 minus 1, that will be your y only. 2 minus 1, that is your 1. Okay, power of y is 1, so no need to write, so you write here 2y only. So this is our answer to the 9th question. Then question, I'll solve the last questions of the exercise, and the remaining questions are given to you as homework. Now see, this is your 10th question. The question is your 6a square b square minus thrice abc plus 9abd by minus 1/3 of ab. Then see here, the first step, this whole algebraic expressions I wrote here as it is. Now this by means actually, you know, this by means actually division, and minus actually, see here, this 1/3 of ab can be written because in the downside of ab actually we have a 1, so 3 into 1, 3 into 1, that is your 3, and 1 into ab, that is your ab. So again here also I brought whole this term as it is here, and you can see here when you have a divide sign here, and if you write a multiplication, okay, the fractions you have in the right hand side, okay, its denominator and numerator will get changed. You know this one. Now see here, what is the your denominator here? It is 3, so you write minus, it is your 3, so you write as your numerator, and ab is numerator, you write it as your denominator. Then just I shifted this minus 3 to this side here, and this remaining part as it is here, and by your ab. Now just I have splitted the term 6a square b square by ab minus thrice abc by ab, and 9abd by, that is your ab. Then you can see here minus 3 as it is here, then 6 is it is here. Okay, because here in ab no numerical coefficient to cancel out, so you write 6ab as it is here. Now a square by a, that means it will be actually a, if I have a square by a means, which means your a to the power 2 minus 1 actually, which gives me what, your a, so you write here a. In the same way you can write what, your b as well here. Then you can see here you have a ab, here also ab get cancelled, then we have 3c only. Then here also you can see ab cancel out, then you have 9d only. Then you can see here minus 3 you have outside, so you multiply 3 into 6, that is your 18, minus you have minus, then minus into minus, that is your plus. Okay, then that is your minus into minus plus, then minus into plus, it is your minus 3 into 9, that is your 27c. So this is our answer. So here we have finished the exercise 5d as well, and the questions that I have left out, see this, all these questions are given to you as homework, and try to solve by yourself. If you cannot, then do let me know.